Imagine losing your thumb in an accident. Suddenly, everyday tasks, like holding a cup, writing your name, or buttoning a shirt become incredibly difficult. That's because your thumb provides nearly half of your hand's function. Your thumb isn't just another finger. It allows you to grip, pinch, and control objects with precision. Without it, even the simplest tasks can become a challenge. The unbelievable solution. In some cases, surgeons perform one of the most remarkable procedures in medicine, a toe-to-thumb transfer. They carefully remove a toe and prepare it to become a new thumb, reconnecting life. Using powerful microscopes and delicate instruments, surgeons reconnect tiny blood vessels, nerves, tendons, and bones. This restores blood flow and gives the new thumb the ability to move and feel. Healing and rehabilitation. After surgery, months of healing and physical therapy begin. Patients slowly learn how to move, grip, and use their new thumb as the body adapts. A second chance. Over time, many patients regain the ability to write, hold objects, and perform daily activities again. A simple toe can become a life-changing thumb, proving just how incredible modern medicine truly is.